Okay, so we want to look at this problem here. Calculate the following without the use of a calculator. And this is a logarithmic expression. So we have here log of 32 to base 8 minus log of 64 to base 16. So we want to simplify that without the use of a calculator, right? So when I look at the two terms I have here, I look at 32 and I look at the base 8. I can see that I can express these as powers of 2. The same thing with 64 and 16. So I can see that it will make sense is for me to simplify this by changing both terms to base 2. So remember, you have a law which says that if you are, for you to change the base, if you have log to base A of B, this is the same as log to base B of C over log of A to base C, like that. So when we change the basis of logarithms, that's what we do. So therefore, I can change both of these terms to base 2. So this becomes the log of 32 to base 2 over log 8 to base 2, according to the law of logarithm there. And that's also the same here, minus log to base 2 of 64 divided by log to base 2 of 16. And at this point, I can see that 32 can be expressed as 2 to the power 5. And 8 is the same as 2 to the power 3. 16 is the same as 2 to the power 4. And 64 is the same as 2 to the power 6. So I can express this here as log to base 2 of 2 to the power 5 divided by log to base 2 of 2 to the power 3 minus log to base 2 of 2 to the power 6 divided by log to base 2 of 2 to the power 4, like that. And again, by the laws of natural logarithms, we have a law which says that if you have log, say, to base A of B to the power n, this is the same as n log base A of B, like that. So that means I can express this here as 5 log to base 2 of 2 divided by 3 log to base 2 of 2 minus 6 log to base 2 of 2 divided by 4 log to base 2 of 2, like that. And again, we also know that we have a law which says that log to base A of A, this is equal to 1. So that means log to base 2 of 2. So it follows therefore that log to base 2 of 2 is equal to 1. So that means ultimately what's left here will be 5 over 3 minus 6 over 4, like that. So remember, log to base 2 of 2 is 1, according to the law which says log to base A of A is equal to 1. So ultimately what we have is just 5 over 3 minus 6 over 4. So in other words, that is 5 over 3 minus 3 over 2 if we reduce that fraction, and that will be obviously that is going to be if we find the common denominator there, that's 6, and that is going to be 10 minus 9, which gives us 1 over 6. So if we simplify this, this is what we end up with. This is what we get when we simplify. We simply end with 1 over 6 there. And we took advantage of the laws of logarithms there.